Hi, I'm Ada. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back. Today we're doing another TTC update for our IVF journey. And we officially did start our IVF cycle on the 26th when my menstrual cycle started. And I have my notes because I'll get sidetracked otherwise. On day 2, I started taking the birth control, and I just stopped taking it on February 3rd when I had my first monitoring ultrasound, and that went well. They also did like some blood work, which I'm not a fan of at all. I hate every time that I have to get like any type of like blood work. Anything that involves in touching the veins in my body, I don't like it. But everything went well with that. I start my injections on Sunday, which is 2 days from now. And those are supposed to be done every day from 6 to 8. So I'm going to try to find a time in there that kind of works. It kind of sucks because I won't have my husband here to help me do the injections because of his work schedule. So I will have to just kind of suck it up and do it myself. So you guys will get to watch my struggle with that, but yes. Then on the 10th is when I start driving to Dallas pretty much daily for the monitoring of my ovary to see how the follicles and such are growing with the with the medications, which I will show you guys all of the medications that we did receive a couple days ago in the mail. I cleared out a whole section in our cabinet and I organized them kind of neatly in the cabinet. So yes, we are doing a frozen cycle of IVF instead of doing a fresh embryo transfer. We are going to give it like approximately a month before we go back to transfer the embryo, so that it gives my body the time to kind of get back to its normal, neutral state without all the hormones going through it. So that should hopefully give us a slightly, I guess, better chance of conceiving with the first try based on research and science. To quickly show you guys the medications that I got sent for my IVF. This one, I have not opened any of them because I don't have to take them yet until Sunday. But I got 5 of these, which these seem like they're going to be the easiest injections to do. A whole rack of alcohol swabs. That's literally what this whole line is just alcohol swabs. And then there's some of these Q caps in there that are going to be used for the Menopur that I have to take. This is just a bunch of like syringes and needle tips that are there to go with all of this. The Menopur is one that I start taking on Sunday. That is my sharps container. This is the Follistem pen, which you will see in my video on Sunday. This one right here, I can't really show you the front of it because it has my address on it, but this is the trigger shot, and then back there is just the progesterone, which I would need at a later time, not right now. Right to my refrigerator. These are the different Follistems. Is the prenatal vitamins I've been taking. I really like it. They're actually pretty affordable, and I get them from maryroots.com. I will see you guys in the next update. Bye.